This is how you clean a coffee pot that isn't perking the coffee fast enough. All you do is need 2 containers of lemon juice, or 12 cups. Fill it clear up to the 12 cup. Put your filter in, turn it on, and let all the lemon juice go through the coffee pot. And we're going to do this 3 times. So this is the 3rd time the lemon juice has been run through the coffee pot to try to unclog it and make it work faster. So then we're going to turn it off. We're going to dump the lemon juice out. So now we put the pot back on. Up here you'll see there's still lemon juice inside the filter. That means you got all the stuff that was clogging up. Now the filter's all brown looking. It's getting all the lime residue out of the pot. So now put another clean filter in and run just straight water through it to get all the excess lemon juice out, because you don't want your coffee tasting like lemon juice. Just shut the lid, turn it on again. See how you can see that the water's coming out faster. That's how you want it to come out. I use lemon juice because I really don't like the smell of vinegar, because it fills the whole house up with that smell. We're going to do one more time, and this should get rid of all the residue, and you'll be ready to make coffee. You can see how fast it's coming out already, the water. So the coffee pot's not clogged anymore. You can see how fast that's coming out. I hope you like my video on how to clean your coffee pot with lemon juice. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.